Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace alphabet A, B, C, numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's learn colors name: black, sky blue, orange, green, red, pink, brown, blue, yellow and violet color. Let's start. Yellow color. This is letter A. A for ant. Orange color. We are tracing letter B. B for bat. Sky blue color. We are tracing letter C. C for cat. Green color. 1. O-N-E 1. Blue color. 2. T-W-O 2. Pink color. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Let's read again. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. 1 O-N-E 1. 2 T-W-O 2. 3 T-H-R-E-E 3. Thanks for watching, kids. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.